Nandito na kami sa aming gistihan guys na tiny house. Welcome to my abode. So inangkin kong abode. So nandito na kami. Nandito na kami guys oh. Nandito na kami guys sa iniistihan na bahay na tiny house guys. So ito yung walling niya. Yun, may table dito. Pwede kayong kumakain din dito. At saka may yung anak ko na-plaster na siya. Nag sunglass ng ito, pwede kayo din kayong maghiga-higa dyan, magpainit. O, see? Testing na siya. O, testing. Model na siya sa yung anak ko yung asawa ko na dito na. O. Pasok tayo sa loob, guys. So, nandito sa loob, guys. So, mayroon din dito table for eating. At saka mayroon sopa dito. Oh. Nilagay ng mga gamit namin dito. At saka mayroon mga small cabinet dyan. Mayroong TV. Oh, tingnan nyo, di ba mayroong TV? So, mayroon ditong bed. Tingnan nyo, may bed dito. Ito yung bed, guys. So, you're the one who provide the bed sheet of the bed and the cover of the pillow. You're the one who bring that if you want to stay here and lock the window. They have a curtain also. They have a TV also here in the room. They have a mirror. And also they have a cabinet for the dress. So, and this is the light, guys. And this is the small table. You can put anything what you want to put there, your cell phone, or you can charge your cell phone there. So we turn back here. So we go to the other room. So tiny house to guys, pero may mga room to siya. To din ang other room, the small one is for the kid. I think it's for Shana this, and you are the one who provide also the beddings of this. And they have a blanket, guys, but the beddings you're the one who provide, and the pillows. And they have also a one here. Oh, same only. They have a cabinet. You can see. And they have a cabinet also here. Cabinet for your dress. And also here they have a cabinet. Oh, the big cabinet there here. Oh, I don't know the other side. No, I cannot check. Maybe no. They have there also. So mayroon din. At we go sa other room again. So ito. Oh, this is her room daw, sabi ni Shana. So ito din may cabinet din, guys. May cabinet pala, guys. Every room they have a cabinet. Tsaka may window din. Same din siya, guys. She said it's her room daw. Maybe this one is for her kuya. And so we need to turn back here. We check the they have cabinet there, guys. This is the bed. This is the master bedroom bed, guys. This is our bed of my husband. So they have a cabinet, guys, and TV. Ang master bedroom only, they have a TV, guys. And now we check the CR, guys. The toilet. So they have a tiny toilet here also, guys. So they have ito yung nila. Malinis, guys. Sobrang linis. Diba? At mayroon din silang trash bin dito. At itong TV na to, guys, sa medyo sala-sala nila. At dito, guys, yan, kita nyo, may kusina na siya, may punting kusina. I can cook here whatever I want to cook. So mayroon ding mga cabinet dito, guys, lagayan ng mayroon silang mga plato na gagamitin mo. You can use their plates and glass. So, mayroon din mga bowl, oh. So, yan. May mga gamit talaga, guys. Tapos, may microwave pa sila, oh. May ref pa. Makastock. You can stock your food here. You can cook and you can stock your food here. So, later, we can buy a stock, guys. For cooking the way we can cook our food. I'm the one who cook, guys. The way we don't always buy food in the outside. So, here again, guys. Ito, yun. May mga gamit na for cooking, guys. So, yan. May mga spoon na din and fork. And saka yung mga, oh, yung gamit pang cooking talaga, guys. So, oh, mayroon sila, guys. Mayroon mga ladle. Oh, mayroon sila mga pang cooking utensils. At mayroon din, oh, lagayan ng ano. At ito, wala, mayroon silang washing, guys. Washing for the plate. Oh my goodness, it's my first time to use this. Kasi sa bahay, guys, di ako gumagamit ng washing na sa plate. I use my hands only in the hand wash only in the house for washing the plate. So, mayroon silang kuan, guys, ha? For washing the plate. Oh, kumpleto sila, guys. Mayroon silang pang toasted bread. Oh, mayroon sila. Mayroon din silang ano, pang-init nito ng, ano ba? Pang-init ng tubig. At ito, anong purpose nito? Basta kayo na ang humusga dyan. Sa pinapakita ko sa inyo. Basta yan lang siya, guys. At yun, dyan sa labas, guys, yan ang view. Yan ang house, guys. Mga tiny house dito. Marami dito, guys. Yan ang mga style dito sa house na tiny house. So, oh, di ba? Yan. Di ba makita mo ng water sea doon? Napalibot na kasi ito siya sa water sea. Parang water sea doon. Oh. Ari ng abod. Use my cow. Oh my goodness. Use my cow. Jadi. Now, guys, we need to go to the shower room. This is their shower room, guys. So, look. May lavatory dito. They have a lavatory and they have a cabinet also here. So, meron silang small bin dito na sa waist. At yun, ang kanilang shower area, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda, guys. Oy, tiny house siya. Tapos, kompleto na siya lahat. Mayroong shower area. May 3 rooms. At saka may kuan pa dito, guys, oh, pang hair dryer. So, hindi ako mahilig sa hair dryer. So, ngayon, gumagamit na ako niyan. So, yan lang, guys, ang laman dito ng tiny abode ko. O, diba? So, thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video.